Bitcoin price prediction 2025. After the analysis of the prices of Bitcoin in previous years, it is assumed that in 2025, the minimum price of Bitcoin will be around $1,526.80. The maximum expected BTC price may be around $100,180.72. On average, the trading price might be $99,834.63 in 2025. Bitcoin price prediction 2026. Based on the technical analysis by cryptocurrency experts regarding the prices of Bitcoin, in 2026, BTC is expected to have the following minimum and maximum prices, about $133,957 and $163,464, respectively. The average expected trading cost is $138,780. Bitcoin price prediction 2027. The experts in the field of cryptocurrency have analyzed the prices of Bitcoin and their fluctuations during the previous years. It is assumed that in 2027, the minimum BTC price might drop to $204,087, while its maximum can reach $233,219. On average, the trading cost will be around $209,637. Bitcoin price prediction 2028. Based on the analysis of the costs of Bitcoin by crypto experts, the following maximum and minimum BTC prices are expected in 2028, $358,451 and $305,183. On average, it will be traded at $313,569. Bitcoin price prediction 2029. Crypto experts are constantly analyzing the fluctuations of Bitcoin. Based on their predictions, the estimated average BTC price will be around $464,473. It might drop to a minimum of $448,794, but it still might reach $525,742 throughout 2029. Bitcoin price prediction 2030. Every year, cryptocurrency experts prepare forecasts for the price of Bitcoin. It is estimated that BTC will be traded between $645,119 and $774,474 in 2030. Its average cost is expected at around $668,343 during the year.